channel Cook With Me. Today I'm making an authentic Bangladeshi dish, Chicken Tehari. I'm sure you all have tried biryani and enjoyed. Try this recipe, it's super delicious but really easy to make. My channel, all about easy to follow and easy to implement. Ingredients are displayed on the right and highlighted for each step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. To make the chicken tehari, we first need to cook the chicken and then we will cook the rice. To make the chicken, we need 800 grams of chicken, 2 medium onions, 300 grams sliced into long strips. These are all our whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 2 1-inch cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamoms, 8 to 10 peppercorns, 5 cloves, 2 black cardamoms. Here I have 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon ginger paste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a quarter teaspoon of ground mace. We will need 5 tablespoons of mustard oil for the chicken. The other 3 tablespoons we will use for the rice. So in total we need 8 tablespoons of mustard oil. This recipe is typically made with mustard oil. It gives it an enhanced flavor. However, you can use any other oil of your choice. To make the rice, these are all the ingredients that we need. 3 cups of rice that I have really washed well, and then I have soaked in water, which I have kept for 30 minutes. Now in the same cup that you will use to measure the rice, you need to use the same cup to measure the liquid. 5 cups of warm water and 1 cup of warm milk. So if you take 3 cups of rice, you need 6 cups of liquid. Of that, 5 cups water and 1 cup of milk. And please make sure you use the same measuring cup for rice, water and milk. 1 medium onion, about 150 grams finely chopped. 4 to 5 green chilies, again optional based on your spice level. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1.5 teaspoon of ginger paste. A few drops of Kira water, completely optional, and 1 teaspoon of ghee, again optional, and some salt to taste. So first what we will do is we'll take a sieve, and the soaked rice, we will drain the water out of it. So we want to make sure that the excess water gets drained off from the rice, and we will keep this aside and we will start cooking our chicken. The rice that I have used for this recipe is basmati rice. However, you can use pulao rice or a kala jeera rice as well. So first we are going to start cooking the chicken, and for that we will initially fry the onions and the ginger garlic. For that we need 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, all our whole spices, black cardamoms, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, green cardamoms, peppercorns and cloves, and the sliced onions, ginger paste and garlic paste. I will add the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the whole spices. One quick tip is bring the mustard oil to a really smoking hot temperature and then bring it down to the temperature you want for cooking. This really helps in having the smoky flavor of the mustard oil, and there's also a chemical in mustard oil that's not good for us, and this bringing the temperature high destroys the chemical, so make sure you do this. So I brought the mustard oil to a smoking hot temperature and then I have cooled it down. Next I will add all the whole spices. So the black cardamom, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, green cardamoms, peppercorns and cloves. I will fry this for 20 to 30 seconds till I get a nice aroma from the whole spices. I'm getting a nice aroma from the whole spices. Now I will add the sliced onions and fry the sliced onions till they caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized and turned light brown, so we will add the ginger paste and also add the garlic paste and fry the onions with the ginger garlic paste till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. So this should take about 4 to 5 minutes at a medium flame. Next we will cook the chicken with the masala. For that we need the chicken, salt, black pepper powder, mace, nutmeg and yogurt. It's been 5 minutes and I'm getting no raw smell of ginger garlic. So next we will add the chicken and also add the black pepper powder and some salt to taste. Now we will cook the chicken at a high flame for about 7 to 8 minutes till we see the color of the chicken changing from this raw color to more translucent or white, and we will be able to see that the chicken has started to give out water. So cook this on a high flame for 7 to 8 minutes. It's been 7 minutes and you can see the chicken has changed color from the raw color that it was before to more white or translucent, and we can see the water coming out from the chicken as well. So now we will add the mace and the nutmeg and mix this really well and cook this for another 1 to 2 minutes on a medium flame. Next, I will add the yogurt. Make sure you whisk it well before adding. And now mix this well and cook this for another 1 to 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and as you can see the masala has been really well mixed now. So next what we will do, we will cover this with a lid and cook till the chicken becomes tender. You don't need to add any water because the chicken gives out water and the water will come out from the yogurt as well. However, if you feel that the chicken is getting stuck at the bottom, it's becoming too dry, then add a little bit of warm water. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes for the chicken to become tender, and make sure you keep stirring in between. It's been 10 minutes and our chicken is completely tender now. I did not add any water. You can see how much water the chicken gave out already. So if you have excess water, then open the lid and cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes at a medium flame till the excess water goes away. And then we will put the pan on the side and start making our rice. I have cooked the chicken on a medium flame for another 2 minutes to dry out any extra water. So now we will set the pan aside and we will start making our rice. We will now cook the rice. For that, first we will fry the onions. We need 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, finely chopped onions and the ginger garlic paste. So take a heavy bottomed pan and to that I'm adding the mustard oil. We'll do the same thing here. We will increase the temperature to smoking hot and then we will reduce it to the temperature that we desire for cooking. Now I will add the finely chopped onions. We don't want to fry the onions till it becomes light brown. We just want to make it a little bit translucent. So maybe fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes a little bit translucent and changes color. The onions have now become translucent, so I fried this for about 4 minutes. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste and fry this for another 4 to 5 minutes till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. Next we will add the basmati rice, which we had drained out the water before, 5 cups of warm water and a cup of warm milk. It's been 5 minutes and I am no longer getting any raw smell of the ginger garlic. So I will add the rice and we will fry the rice for about 4 to 5 minutes till you can see that the rice becomes a little bit glossy. And as you're frying the rice, make sure you lower the flame, because if you have too much of a higher flame, then the rice will get burnt and get stuck at the bottom. It's been 5 minutes as we have fried the rice, so now we will add the warm water. And also add the warm milk. And we will bring this to a boil while stirring it occasionally. And make sure you keep the flame as medium or medium low. as you can see, we have brought this to a boil. So now what we will do is we will add the chicken. So go ahead and add all of the chicken. So we added all of the chicken with whatever little gravy we had. So now mix all of this really well. And we will also add the chilies. This is just for some additional flavor. And we will also add some salt. We already added salt with the chicken, so be careful when you add the salt now. And we will be adding just a couple of drops of the Keura water, just for some nice essence. Again, this is optional, so you can skip it if you don't want to add Keura. Now mix this well, and we will cover this with a lid and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes till the rice is completely done. And make sure you keep stirring in between. It's been 10 minutes and our rice is completely cooked, and you can see here how it is not sticking to each other and nicely separating out. Now we will add a teaspoon of ghee. This is optional, so you can skip it if you want, but it just adds a really nice flavor. And mix this well with the rest of the rice, and your chicken tehari is now ready to serve. It's a really delicious recipe and very easy to make. I'm getting such a beautiful aroma from the chicken tehari now. Please do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you so very much for watching my channel.